Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. So before we get started on today's unboxing video, I just want to let you all know that I finally launched my 4,000 subscriber giveaway that is open until May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and it is open internationally because I want all of you to be included. So I will leave my giveaway video link down in the description box. If you have not yet entered, definitely go check that out. It is full of makeup, other things too, like jewelry and a handbag, even something else. So definitely check it out if you have not yet already. It's a big thank you to all of you for 4,000 subscribers. You make me so happy. So anyways, let's move on to today's video. So we are unboxing Rebecca Mail for April 2019. This is what the box looks like. So this is a monthly stationery subscription, and this is available on Cratejoy. They have two different options. I have it pulled up here now just in case I forgot the pricing. So they have Rebecca Snail Mail, which is $12.50 per month. And then they have what I have, just the regular Rebecca Mailbox, which is $17.50. So let's get unboxing. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh, it says life is tough on there. I'm gonna open it. This is what I see. There is a card on top. It says the April 2019 Rebecca Mail theme is Embrace Life's Simple Joys. I like that. Look how cute. What is that little animal on there? So cute. There's a little note in the back. It says, it's April already. It's actually almost May. Isn't that crazy? Is it just me, or is this year really flying by? No, it's not just you. It really is. This month, I really wanted to tone things down a bit and just relax. That is reflected in these cards I designed just for you with artwork by Ukrainian artist Marina Solodkaya. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, Marina. I love the simple Scandinavian-inspired style of her designs. Also in your box is an exclusive notepad which also features artwork by Marina, a fun animal-themed sheet mask for a little self-care this month, and a pack of my favorite cookies in the Stabilo pen of the month. One day I will work on my pronunciation, I promise. Alright, so cookies. First thing I grab, obviously my mind goes right there. Oh my god, I haven't had these in years. The Milano dark chocolate cookies. There's 2 in this pack. Yum! I haven't had a Milano cookie in so long. I'm not even gonna look. Oh, that's not bad. There's only 110 calories in this pack. Guess what I'm doing right after I'm done filming. Alright, and here is the notepad. There's a little packaging around it. It says this is the Rustic Woodland Notepad. There's 50 sheets of lined papers and the original artwork by Marina. So let me take that off and we can really look at the pretty designs. I love it. Very spring. I love how it's simple. You can just write whatever you want in there. And 50 sheets, that's pretty good. I have so many notepads, but I actually use them every day, so I will definitely leave this one around. I definitely like the ones that have lined paper on there too, so I can make lists, because I'm a big list maker. That's generally how I use my notepad, so I am definitely happy to have this because I love the floral print too. Oh, and here's the pen of the month. Last month we got a pink one. It looks like this one is purple, so let's write something and see, just to double check, even though I'm pretty sure. Oh, I love it. Pink and purple are like my favorite. It's definitely is purple. I just wrote high on there because I'm so original. Alright, and then there are several cards, so here are all the cards. I'll show you them one by one. I'm going to take them out of the plastic because I know that plastic is like super reflective when I'm filming. Okay, this is so cute. It says Stay Wild. And there's just some little animal on there. So cute. And then on the back it says it's a Stay Wild Bear, artwork by Marina, and it has a retail value of $4.50, so that's probably what each card is. And the inside, it's not blank, but it doesn't say any words, but there's that cute design. I hope that is showing through in the camera. There's like a little flower in the corner. This is so cute. I love this. I think I like this month's better than last month. The cards were cute last month. These are just like super cute. Alright. Oh my god, I love this one. It's like a little deer. It says, embrace the little joys in life. And this is the Embrace Joy Deer, it says in the back. So pretty. I love the colors. Let's see if this has anything on the inside. And again, the inside has The little floral print on the end and the border is super cute. These are so adorable. I do wish that subscription boxes, like stationery ones specifically, obviously the ones that have cards in them, came with stamps, because I never have stamps and I want to use my cards. I know I could just go to the post office. Don't they sell stamps at like Walgreens and stuff like that too? Do they? Let me know if you guys know the answer to that. But this one says, take time to make your soul happy. I love this one. How pretty is this? The coloring is just like totally me this month. And again, this one has the same print, and these all have envelopes, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Oh, and here's one that's a birthday one. It just says happy birthday, and it has that cute bear on it. It's a blue card. Love it. Birthday bear, and the inside is the same. And the last card, oh, it says, today I will choose happy. That's so important. I was having such like a downer day yesterday. I didn't even film yesterday. Like, today I'm choosing happy. That's me today. I love it. And again, cute print on the inside and border. And the last thing in our box is a sheet mask. This is by Epiel K-Beauty, a cheetah mask, moisturizing and lifting. It has collagen and fruit extract. It's for all skin types, and I think it actually looks like a cheetah when you wear it. How cute. So let's read what it says in the back. It says, the Epiel Cheetah Mask comfortably adheres to the face like a second skin that tightly seals in moisture for a healthier look and radiant glow. The combination of collagen and fruit extract help to moisturize and lift skin for a more youthful appearance. Rejuvenate your skin with this playful cheetah print mask for some fun in your skincare routine, formulated without animal oil, mineral oil, parabens, or petroleum. Take better care of your skin with Epiel. And then looks like you just use it like a normal sheet mask, wear it for 15 to 20 minutes after cleansing and toning. So super cute. So let's do a quick recap of the April box. So again, we just saw we got the sheet mask. I love sheet masks. And then we got several cards, which are all so cute. Today I choose happy card, the birthday bear card, take more time to make your soul happy, embrace the little joys in life, stay wild bear card. So cute. And then we got the notepad, which I love the design on too. I just love how everything looks this month. It's so cute. You have the purple pen, love this too, and the Milano cookies. Love it. So yeah, I can't wait to eat those, honestly. I'm supposed to be on like a diet. Oh my god, you guys won't believe what happened to me. You want to know why I was down yesterday? Sorry, this is pretty off topic. But I've been feeling a little self-conscious about like my weight gain. I've definitely gained weight this year. And I was like going to get my nails done yesterday, and I couldn't really find anything that was clean that fit me well, so I just like threw on the dress, wasn't really feeling how I looked. And when I got to the nail salon, the nail technician asked me when my due date is, like I'm 9 months pregnant or something. And then I had to sit there for a whole hour with her while I was getting my nails done. And like when she asked me what my due date was, like people could hear all around. So then like everyone like kind of looked over excited at me, and then I'd be like, I'm not pregnant. And then I could see that like everyone was looking at my stomach, and I just felt like awful. I like cried and cried and cried when I got home. Like I was such a baby. Like, so I'm like, you know what? I don't want that to ever happen again. So I'm gonna like go on a diet and stuff. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta eat cookies. So yeah, I was a big baby yesterday. I didn't film a video. I didn't have any videos posted on, I'm not sure when this video is going up, but the day before I'm filming this, I didn't post any videos. I was just so down. But then I realized, I woke up today, I was like, you know what? Whatever, I'm a little pudgy, but food makes me happy. I'll work on it. I can't like restrict everything, so I think 2 cookies, this is a good portion. I could eat that, right? Anyways, thanks for listening to my little like sob story. I was such a baby. Like I can't believe I let someone I don't even know like affect me so much. Like normally comments don't get to me, but like I think that whole situation, and I think it's like my PMS week. Like I am supposed to get my period like next week, so usually like a week before, you know, PMS kind of hits. So maybe that's why I was like uber emotional. I don't know. But anyways, thanks for listening. But let's get back to the box. So yeah, I like this box. I think this was a lot better than last month. So you guys have to let me know what you think, if you guys watched last month or not. I'll link that below too. If you want to check that out. I think the cards are so cute this month. So I will leave the link below, and it looks like they do have a promo code still going on. It says use code MOMSDAY at checkout to get 10% off your first subscription box. So I will leave that down below. Hopefully it works. It should, because it's on their Cratejoy page. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Definitely check this out if you're interested. Use the code if you're interested, and if you have not yet entered my giveaway, please do so. Like I said, that ends May 8th and is open internationally. So I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.